Is Discord showing the frustrating update failed error? Don't let it stop you from connecting with friends and communities. In this video, we'll guide you through simple and effective steps to resolve the update failed issue and get Discord running smoothly again.
First, open Start and type Task Manager. Open your Task Manager. Right-click your Discord process. Select End Task. Now close your Task Manager. Press your Windows key plus R. Type %app data %. Press OK. Delete the Discord folder. Press your Windows key plus R. Type %local app data %. Press OK. Delete the Discord folder. Open Discord.
First, right-click your Discord shortcut. Select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Select Run the program as administrator. Press Apply and then OK. Open Discord. Press Yes.